Hello, my lovely anatomists and physiologists. Let's check in next on the pineal gland. So I have a picture of a brain model from our lab, and we're looking at the sagittal cut, and we can see at the very back of the diencephalon a cut pineal gland. So the pineal gland is located in the brain. It's there sort of at the back of the diencephalon. And what we see with the pineal gland is that it is going to secrete the hormone called melatonin. And we're getting the secretion of the melatonin with darkness. So we have this ability to sort of collect information about how much light we've been exposed to and how much darkness we've been exposed to. And so when we're in light conditions, we decrease the production of melatonin. And when we're in dark conditions, we increase the amount of melatonin. And so this is going to make us sleepy and help us to rest in the dark. So we talk about pineal as helping to regulate our circadian rhythms. And we see that it's actually not just coordinating our drowsiness, our sleepiness. So it's involved in sleepiness. We also see it involved in appetite. And we also see it involved in our regulation of our body temperature. Okay. We see too that if you have high levels of melatonin in kids, this might inhibit the production of GnRH. So that might be one of the factors that's helping to limit that GnRH and kind of prolonging the onset of puberty, as it were. Now, this then can explain why individuals who are shift workers and are exposed to light during the night and maybe exposed to light during the day might have trouble adjusting and getting good rest. All right. I think we have just a couple more videos left, so stay tuned. As always, take care of yourselves and each other.